It's good to see you again. Today, we're going to look at EIGRP's summary aggregate. So unlike other routing protocols like OSPF, EIGRP performs its summarization on an interface rather than something like an area boundary. And in EIGRP terminology, we call this summary aggregate. So when this is configured, only the summary is advertised out of the interface, not the individual prefixes that make up the summarized network. The summary uses the best metric out of all of these summarized networks. Now, there are two main advantages to summarizing. One is that it keeps the EIGRP topology table nice and small, which has its own advantages, such as being better organized, requiring less resources on the routers and things like this. But the other advantage is that this creates a query boundary. And we've talked about this in another video, which you might enjoy, but in summary, when a route goes active, a router will propagate queries through the network, trying to find an alternate path. A route can only go back to passive once it has received all the responses back. So this can sometimes take a long time and leave a route in an active state for a very long time, causing some traffic to go into a black hole, which, as you can imagine, is not very good at all. So when we create a query boundary using a summary aggregate, we limit how far these queries propagate, and we shorten the amount of time it takes to get responses back, which helps us to deal with these active routes in a lot faster fashion. I hope that simplifies things for you. I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next video.